Hello everyone, welcome to Coins and Stamps to Watch. So we have another unboxing to do. I have this for, I don't know, a few months, a month I think, or at least a month and a half. But I didn't have the chance to open it up only till now. I just have a lot of things to do, so I haven't done much videos lately. So we'll see what what this one is. So I haven't had time, a lot of time to do lots of videos, and so just once in a while I make a one or two, even those short videos, and yeah, just busy at the moment, and have lots of work to do, work at work and work at home. So here we go. So this one is a very old Bible actually. So as you know, I like oh sorry, I'll just make it a bit here we go. As you know, I like old Bibles, or even Quran. I have only one Quran, but as much as I like, I like old Bibles or even Quran, the 1800s or 1900s year. The older, the better. So this one is one of it. It's a Holy Bible, but this one I don't know what year though. I don't see the year or the thing when I bid on it. So maybe you can see it maybe in here. So it says to dear Nell, with love and best wishes, Will. So this one is, I don't see the year actually. So but most probably it's well, from Oxford, so it'll be like around 1870s maybe. And it's a thick one, you see. Scripture of natural history, Holy Bible, Old and New Testament, New York, Fifth Avenue. So I don't know. It doesn't have the year. These are plates. Study helps to study the Bible. Yep, doesn't have the year. It was printed. First book of Moses, Genesis. So it is still in good condition, as you can see. It's a thick one. Oh, here we go. Wow. Oh, what's this one? You can see the. Oh wow. Okay, nice. It has different languages in it. As you can see, plates. Plates of the scripture. See. Oh wow. Okay. It's like a Egyptian language, I think. Heretic. I don't know. Can you read that one? Phoenician and Hebrew alphabets. Okay, wow. Greek and Latin alphabets. Wow, this Bible have so many things in it. The Rosetta Stone, Moabite Stone, BC, it's a long time. Plate 7, plate 8, and so on. Wow. plate 10, 11, 12. Wow, plate. It's a lot. That's why it's thick. It's, it have lots of information. King James Bible Authorized Version 1611. Wow. Wow, nice. Babylonian. See, this is the New Testament. Matthew, Jewish weight, money, glossary, antiquity, index, concordance. Nice. And even the map. Lots of maps. See, Mediterranean. What's this one? Oh, nice. Peninsula of Sinai. So here you go. It's another interesting Bible. Old, in which I don't know the date. I have to do research on the date. As you can see, it is an old one from Oxford. Right. So please do like and subscribe my channel. Click on notification settings. See my playlist of see my coins and stamps and other collectibles that I have on video. Thank you very much. I hope you all have a very good day.